welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to download and install GTA 4. Let's get started. First, open Google in your web browser. Then search for Steam and press enter. From the search results, click on the official Steam website. Once you're on the Steam homepage, click on the search bar at the top of the screen. Type GTA 4 and press enter. From the search results, click on Grand Theft Auto 4. This will open the game's official Steam page. Before purchasing the game, scroll down and check the minimum and recommended system requirements to make sure your PC can run GTA 4 smoothly. After reviewing the system requirements, scroll back to the top of the page. Click on the Add to Cart button. Then click on the View My Cart button. On the next page, review your order and click Continue to Payment. A Steam sign-in window will appear if you aren't already logged in. Sign into your Steam account using your username and password. After signing in, complete the payment using your preferred payment method. Once your purchase is successful, the game will be added to your Steam library. Open your library, select Grand Theft Auto 4, and click the Install button. Choose the installation location if prompted, and Steam will begin downloading the game. Wait for the download and installation to finish. After the installation is complete, click the play button to launch GTA 4 and start playing. And that's it. If you liked the video, subscribe, and press the bell icon for more helpful tutorials.